There's no weight in them. These things are so light, but it's just rest it on that cushion if you have to. Right. Let me get. I'm trying to.
Oh, there you go.
Better. So, just a little bit of an update on the previous video where I swapped over the bonnet on the Mk3. I forgot to mention that on replacing the actual washer jets for the windscreen. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's the same as how to come out is how they go back in. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this finished off, and I must admit, it looks so much more cleaner, better finish. I prefer it, and this bonnet is actually in better condition than what this one is, believe it or not. This one on the front of it, there's a few scratches and a few swirls from when someone's obviously tried to polish it or do something to it, but you can see all the swirl lines. This one, there's a few haze marks on it. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera. You know, sort of around this area here. You can't really see it on the camera, but that's what I'm going to clean all that up, polish it all out. This bonnet is in much better condition, so I'm happy with this. So I'm just going to crack on. I'm going to finish getting it all finished, and I want to show you putting it all back in. So let's get these washer jets put back in. I'm going to feed this hose up through this hole here, feed it along, and hopefully with a little pry tool dig it out from here. Down there, I can feel it. But it's getting it hooked so I can lift it up. So it's the fiddly bit. What I'm going to try and do is with the hook like this, I'm going to face it down this way and have it facing towards the window screen like that. It'd be like this. Okay. And I'm going to feed the hose up over it, hopefully, and then nope. It is there, I can feel feel it. So, just a matter of keep fiddling around with it. There's that, you can see how fiddly that job is. Pull the camera back down here again. So you can see how fiddly that is. I think it's just a matter of keep at it until you do it. Next part is this bit. Okay, and that's to feed from this washer jet to this washer jet. And it's just going to be the same, just difference is you can plug this side in like that. And just feed this side in along and feed it through these gaps here. Let's move the camera over. So the same as the other side. You can actually feel it. Now I can see it's just sitting here. But because of the angle, there we go. And then that's all left to do is connect the washers from the other side. So what I'll do with these is just clip them through from the top. Let's get the hose, put the hose up where my finger is. And just reconnect. Clip that one back in, and then do the same on the other side. Job's done. And that's them in. Must admit I do prefer that look of the bonnet rather than the vents. Smells like cherries, it's nice. But yeah, it's working. and as you can see, it's very dusty, so yes, it needs a clean. It's because I've been doing a lot of work on the garage recently, which is coming up in another video. So there it is, guys. That's the washer jets replaced. I wanted to show you the full complete video in one go, but it would have been too long. By the time I started editing the other video, it was already 20 minutes long, and you've probably already seen that by now. But I wanted to show you that I do a full job. I've reinstalled everything, and I wanted to show you me doing that and everything working. So as always, if you're a returning viewer, please by all means leave a like, and if you're a new viewer, please consider subscribing. It don't cost a penny to do so. So as always, guys, cheers for watching, and if you like the content, let us know in the comments. So until next time.